all my subscribers, turn on your post notification bell. So whenever I post a new video, you right there, yeah, you will be the first one to get notified. So subscribe and like and leave a comment. Leave a comment. Tell me what you like. If you are an online student too, leave a comment down below. Tell me what you like about online, what you don't like about online. Let's just keep the conversation going. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is Nioka. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. This is Nioka. Guys, today I have my online class and I just want to show you what I do when I have online classes, and also I just want to tell you what I like and what I dislike about online classes. All right guys, so currently I'm in my class. I just muted the presentation because I wanted to just take a couple seconds to record this. All right guys, so our topic today is creating the perfect plate. So guys, let me go back to class and I'll show you what we do. All right,
and yeah, it's too big. All right, who's gonna pick up a piece of chive like down at this end and then munch on it like it's a carrot or something, right? Nobody's gonna do that. Yes, Nioka, go ahead.
Chef, I think the color coordinates are not so nice at all. It's not color coordinated.
The color?
Yes.
Yeah, like this red roasted tomato here, and then there's pink tuna.
And then the yellow.
Yeah, so the colors maybe. I mean, the color. Yeah.
I was thinking about that green. I don't know what's that green thing underneath the meat. I wonder if that's relevant.
This one here.
It looks like a piece of spinach.
Yeah, maybe some sort of spinach or bok choy or something like this. Yeah.
Yes, that.
Yeah, so the vegetables are hidden for sure. Sure.
I'm actually enjoying this class, guys.
A few moments later.
Yeah, I agree with you. Yeah. With butter, parsley, and lemon
I got
juice.
you.
So that could be.
I got you. I'm not sleeping, guys. Guys, I just got kicked out of my class. The Wi-Fi signal is not so strong at all. So let me go back in. Let's see. I'm reconnecting. Perfect.
Okay. Right, and a couple of you guys mentioned that, we thought maybe the chicken looked raw on that one plate. Well, you know what? If we serve raw chicken, it doesn't matter how well you plated it. Your plate could look amazing, but you send out chicken that's undercooked, and it ruins everything, right? So with that chicken and lemon dish that I showed you guys, so yeah, the portion size was off, right?
I'm hungry. I'm so hungry. Every time I have this class, I feel hungry because I'm seeing all this food and my belly's like. Look at that. Ooh, mwah, mwah, mwah. Ooh la la. Just.
What is that? What is that? Who you fighting?
And if you grill the meat, yeah, you can put the sauce on top again.
Class is almost done, guys. So we're just doing the rundown of what we discussed today. So yeah.
Plate, right? Always leave white space or empty space on the plate.
All right, guys, so my class just ended. That class started at 9 a.m., ended at 10:30 a.m. People might say, how do you learn to cook online? But the thing is that we have practical classes and theory classes. So with this one was a theory class where we just learn about, as you just see, we were learning about plate presentation. Those things that we learn online, like if it wasn't for the virus and we were at school, then we would have a classroom where we just sit and the chef would just present the PowerPoint or whatever they have to present, and then we just sit and we just have a discussion. So with this class, it's not too bad because it would be the same thing that we would be doing if we were physically at school. We would just be sitting there taking notes and like a regular classroom, right? Now, in terms of the practical lab classes now, we have to go physically to school because at that point, we have to be doing stuff. And like me, I am a doer. If I sit, if you tell me something without me doing it, I might not remember. But if I actually do the work myself, then for the next time, I know for sure that I'll be able to do it. I know because of the virus, we have to do online learning, but really I don't like it. But then it comes with is the pros and cons, you know, like it has good things about it, it has bad things about it. But to me, I wouldn't say that I totally hate it because then some good things come with it too. So with what I don't like is that I think this is the major thing that I don't like is that I cannot interact with my peers, my classmates, you know, because I am used to growing up where I have been in a classroom all my life, right? So now, because it's online and it's mandatory that we do it online, it just feels like we're moving away from what we're really used to. But you know, sometimes when people are used to something, they just want to always do it. So I think with me, and this is just my opinion, maybe other people have different opinion. So I like to be in the classroom, interact with my chef, interact with my peers, interact with my friends. But because of this, I can't really see them, you know. I mean, you can turn on the camera, but nobody wants to turn on their camera because half of these people in the class are in their beds. So the only person with the camera on is the chef, and he's, you know, sitting and well dressed in his uniform and everything is ready with him. But with us, we don't need to do it, but we use our voices, we use the mic. But with me, I like to be in the physical classroom. So this is kind of weird for me to be online and, you know, doing stuff online. That's one thing that I really don't like about it. Another thing that I like is that my class starts at 9 a.m., right? So I could get up like 8:45, rub my eyes. I don't even have to get up out of my bed. I just rub my eyes, get my laptop, and that's it. I'm in class, right? So that's one of the things that I really like, that I don't have to get up like 2 hours before, take a shower. Because if I had to go to school physically, right? My class starts at 9. I would get up around 7, get dressed, leave my house by 8 to reach at school at 9. So I got 2 more hours sleep. And I love to sleep. Everybody that knows me, you know that I love to sleep. Like sleeping, that's me. So yeah, I got 2 more hours of sleep, and yeah, I just wake up 15 minutes before class, rub my eyes, grab my laptop, and boom, I'm in class. Then the thing with that is that if I don't get enough sleep in the night, then I might fall asleep. Also, what I like about this is that you're home. You can do anything you want to do. You can bring food and you're just eating while you're watching. You can get your coffee, you can get your tea, you can drink water, you can drink anything you want to drink. Wink, wink. I would say I'm a 50-50 in the middle. Like, I hate it and I like it, but it's in the half. I don't really hate it like, oh my God. And I don't really like it like, oh my gosh, I love it. Nah, it's just in the middle. I would say it's good, and it has its good, it has its bad. That's all I have to say about it. But my chefs are pretty nice. Like, they spend time with you. They email you. This chef, he emails us so much, like, oh guys, remember we have class at 9, this is what we're gonna do, blah 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 blah. And I like that he's consistent with us, so I really like that. So I mean, Humber is Humber, you know, they're up here. So you know that only thing comes from Humber is greatness. That's why I'm there, and when I graduate, it's gonna be greatness on greatness, you know. So guys, those are just my little things that I think about online learning. As I said, it's a 50-50 for me, not too good and it's not too bad. So yeah, that's for me. Also, yeah, I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoy it, because guess what? I woke up, get out of bed, wash my face, brush my teeth, fix my hair, just for you guys. So please, I hope you enjoy it, all right? And I'm telling you, I'm going back and forth from my tripod and back and forth with my gimbal. And guys, I'm telling you, and back and forth with this tripod that I have the phone on right now. So guys, I'm telling you, it's hard work. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're new, please subscribe. First of all, if you are new and you watch the video till this part, all you have to do is just subscribe, because you know what's coming next. A lot of great things are coming next, all right? Especially if you're a Humber student, or if you want to come to Humber, hey, subscribe to my channel, okay? What else? Yes, guys, please, all my subscribers, turn on your post notification bell. So whenever I post a new video, you right there, yeah, you will be the first one to get notified. So subscribe and like and leave a comment. Leave a comment. Tell me what you like. If you are an online student too, leave a comment down below. Tell me what you like about online, what you don't like about online. Let's just keep the conversation going, guys. So yeah, leave a comment, like, and subscribe, guys, and I will see you guys in my next video. I love you guys. Bye.